Hello everyone, it's me Hussein. You're watching Film Hussein. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat on Android device. So whenever I open Snapchat, the error comes that, oh no, you're something. This is not my password. Just I put. So in this video I'm going to show you how to log in without unrooting. So see, oh no, your login temporarily failed, so please try again later if you whatever, try again. So what you have to do is, maybe you have to install Xposed. So you have to open Xposed framework. Sorry, not here. Okay, move me in. And you have to tap on uninstall. So this will come up. See this. What I was going to show you. Wait. Okay, so you have to uninstall this and it will reboot. So let's reboot. So guys, I have rebooted my phone, and okay, so Xposed is uninstalled right now. The later version of Xposed, you'll see like this when you open Xposed again after rebooting and it's uninstalling Xposed. So let's check it out. Okay, log in. Over site. Okay, so now my password. Sorry, wrong password. I type so fast that sometimes I just by mistakenly type something else. Whatever. So see, now it will work. I have discovered this idea by myself. So nope, I didn't copy it. So, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. I made help you. It will help you. So you only have to install Xposed. I mean uninstall. So, and that's it. So after uninstall, you can use Snapchat. You can log in. So I'll uninstall again. Okay. So bye and subscribe.